6 of 10 grade Science 1. In this video, we will read a sample text report about a video games. Enjoy watching!
Video games have been around since 1970. Ever since the first video game was launched, and it has triggered so many opinions, both pro and cons side. It has become an endless discussion for years as the video game kept growing and evolving. Some people kept opposing it. People who love to play video games admit that they find some their playing video game actually help them to improve their English proficiency. This idea grows inside video game plays at result of player in the world.
In addition, video game, especially when it is online video games, is believed to force the player to actually use English in real communication, because they will meet and sometimes have to team up with players from various countries. This condition forces them to try to use English to communicate to each other. As the result, their language skill will improve naturally because they learn English in its real use. Video games is also believed to boost the player creativity in terms of developing strategy in playing the game, and also exploring opportunities to make actual income from the game. There has been so many proof of this in current society. Some players actually spend hours of training with their team to develop strategy to win a game, and when they are ready in this level, they usually make it is their real career and become a professional games.
On the other hand, some people are still against this type of entertainment for several reasons. One of the reasons is health issues. Video games will always take screen as its medium. Therefore, screen radiation is inevitable. Is possible damage toward the eye, why some people are strongly against it. Another health issues that became their concern are the possibility of stroke and body paralysis. These health issues may occur on video games player because when someone plays a video game, he or she would sit still for hours in front of their computer or smartphone with very limited body movement. This condition is the reason that their blood circulation is not running smoothly throughout their entire body, and as the result, some part of their body do not get enough blood supply. When this happens repeatedly, the players have chance to experience body paralysis or even stroke.
And negative side of video games above are some of many reasons why the debate about this topic is still going on until today. There are still so many other reasons that we can add to the list, but at least the explanation above is enough to be taken as consideration when you want to decide whether you want to pick the pros or cons side. Kesimpulannya, video game sudah ada sejak 1970 dan sampai sekarang masih terus berkembang. Contohnya, banyaknya developer besar seperti Rockstar, Ubisoft, EA, dan Konami. Kebanyakan game biasanya berbasis online, sehingga kita para player diwajibkan untuk menggunakan bahasa Inggris untuk berkomunikasi. Mau tidak mau kita juga harus belajar bahasa Inggris. Di samping itu juga, game juga memiliki dampak, yaitu dampak positif dan negatif. Dampak positifnya yaitu kita dapat mengisi waktu luang, menghasilkan uang dengan mengikuti e-sport, dan dampak negatifnya yaitu terhadap mata kita apabila kita keseringan bermain.
Thank you for your attention. That's all from our group. We're more or less sorry. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.